Mirasclat. You know, say 27th of December me born. And my birthday gone and I never remember, you know? And nobody no remember me. Clot. So you know, say, me no want to know nobody birthday and how do. No tell me when you're born. Me no want to know when you're born. Because if my own come and me never remember. And nobody no remind me. Me no want to know when it's your birthday.
I don't know, so me come find the most frozen people. They're frozen fuck. What? You feel about blood clot. Girl frozen, boy frozen, frozen.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing? Remember to seek a friend before you need one, alright?
That is true. That is it.
That's Christ is his name, alright?
That is it. No matter how the stush them be, no matter how decent them be, the average Jamaican have one jaw like this. One jaw full of fuckery.
Big up my General Vibes Cartel. It's another one. Since me start drink this aroma, my General, I don't know how sober feel. Right now, me drunk, you fuck. I'll put the rubbing alcohol down.
When you're 26.
When me say if all went time me, I say 80. Me can't marry to one girl we are 25, 26, 27 because I have a standing rasta until now. You know? What is? I can service a girl 3 times before daylight, starting from 2 o'clock. Go up on the mark and I have to tell me, say, boy, right, you're tough, you're good. And if I expect that at your age, you're going to flag girl. Satisfied. You have to call me, I'm satisfied, right? I am satisfied by your performance. It's very, very progressive.
Jamaican now, man, please.